Join Hole in the Wall and step into a high-demand business that specializes in fast, professional drywall repair for homes and businesses. As a franchisee, your day starts by connecting with clients who need quick, seamless fixes, from small dings to larger repairs. Equipped with their proven methods, top-notch training, and all-in-one business tools, you will handle repairs efficiently and impress customers with spotless results. Hole in the Wall's scalable, low overhead business model means you can start small and grow big with plenty of room for expansion. Imagine ending each day knowing you've made an impact, you've built connections, and driven real success with business that's designated to deliver. Start your journey with Hole in the Wall and become the go-to local expert in drywall repair.